So let's just talk about skip and limit in MongoDB. So currently we are in the VS Code editor and we have this student database, and inside that we have this details collection which contains 8 documents, and all the documents have the detail of multiple students. So the skip and limit are basically used for pagination and controlling the number of documents returned in a query. So currently we are using the student database. Let's now use skip. So the skip method is basically used to skip a specified number of documents in a collection. Then it returns the remaining documents. Like in example, we can write db dot, then the collection name dot, and then we can use the find. So find is basically going to return all the documents. So here we have all 8 documents. Now suppose we do not want 8 documents. So what we can do, we can use dot skip, and we can skip few number of documents. So suppose we wanted to skip 5 documents. So now it will skip first 5 documents and it will return the remaining 3 documents. So if we execute, so you can see now we're getting only 3 documents in a result. And also we have limit. So these methods specify the maximum number of documents to be returned. So like an example, we can write db dot collection name dot find. So this will find will return all 8 documents, but suppose we want only 3 documents. So what we can do, we can write dot limit, and we can limit the number of documents to 3. And now we are getting only first 3 documents from the collection. And also we can combine skip and limit together, and this can be very useful for implementing pagination in the application. So we can write db dot details dot find. So find will return all 8 documents, but we wanted to skip the first 5 documents. Then we wanted to limit, and we wanted to get only 2 documents. So we are skipping 5 and limiting 2 documents. So if we execute, so you can see we are getting only 2 documents in the result set. So this is the way we can use the skip and limit method, which are very useful for pagination and controlling the number of documents returned in a query. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.